Hello everyone, Amanda Ray here with you, another quick video. And what I want to do is go over Impact Mailing Club, which is a direct mail opportunity that I've been in now for a little bit over 4 months. And I've been making a full-time income with this opportunity. And what I want to do is just go over ways that you can promote this opportunity online. One of the easiest strategies that you can use to promote this opportunity online. And I just wanted to give this information to people because people just think with the direct mail program, you only market it offline, and you can actually use a funnel, which is extremely easy to do to start marketing your direct mail opportunity online. Okay. So first thing I want to show you guys is my capture page that I use. You can have the same capture page built out for a very extremely low fee that is going to actually allow you to build your platform much faster. So it says, discover how single mom earns $250 daily with direct mail. Yours can say whatever you want it to say. And then when a person puts in their email address, it's going to take them to the Impact Mailing Club website that gives out more information about the program and how they can get started, along with the team bonuses that are available when they sign up. Okay, so basically what this is going to allow you to do is take your business to the next level. Not only that, it's going to allow you to get a ton of leads in signups through your offline business by taking it online. Okay, so basically what I'm using is called My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, and what I like about this opportunity is that they give you the leads so that when you're promoting the opportunity, you already have the leads in the system. So, and not only that, you have the emails to send, you're just going to include your link. So basically what I'm going to just do is go to mailing system, and I'm going to select all the leads because you receive 200 leads per day. So right now I'm at 7,000 leads. So think about it. If a small percentage opt in, a small percentage will buy, and that's what we want over time. Okay, so I'm going to put in my subject line. I do put everything in a notepad. Okay, so that when I'm ready to send this information out, I can just copy and paste from my notepad. Okay. So here is the email that I'm going to use. I'm just shortening it up here. Thought I already did that, but maybe not. Okay. So we're going to just take this email, and I'm just going to copy and paste it. And again, these emails, you are going to be able to get them when you sign up. I do give you the emails, and you're just going to copy and paste them into the system. Okay, so I'm going to take this, copy it, control copy, close this up, and I'm going to paste this right here into the place where you put the email. Okay, so now that I have it here, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And I'm going to change the font. I like the Georgia font. And then what I'm going to do is basically put my link right here where it says click here. So I'm going to make this bold. And then my link for that capture page that I showed you is right here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to hyperlink it right here into the email. Okay. So that's there. I'm going to include my picture. You don't have to include a picture if you don't want to. There's a lot of people that don't. I have a picture that I really like when I went on vacation that I took. I will plug that in. Okay, so I'm going to click here for image, and then under URL, I'm going to plug that link in, and then the width is going to be 300. The height is going to be 225, and there go a photo. Okay, so after that, I'm going to just put in my name, okay, people know who I am, and when they're ready to get started, they can actually just they could just click on the link and get more information about the program. And if they want, they can sign up directly from the link. So the message, as you can see, it's really short. It's not too long. It's basically giving them a little bit of information about me and what it is that I want to do, and how I've been using direct mail marketing to earn a full-time income. Okay. So then the other thing I'm going to do is just preview it, just make sure it looks good before I send it out. Okay. Click here to click on my link to make sure it works. Okay. So if this goes to my capture page, that means that it works perfectly fine. And then what I'm going to do is just close this out and hit send email. Oh, the subject line I have to put in. Give me 1 second, guys, to get the subject line. Okay, so I'm putting in here new income stream update. That's going to be my subject line. And now I'm all set to go. So I'm going to hit send email. And then now this email is going to go out to 7,000 people that are looking for a home-based business opportunity. Okay, right here it says my message has been queued. You should be able to view your statistics page in a few moments, where I can see how this email actually is doing. So now if I just go into my affiliates, I can just give you guys an idea of how I've been doing so far with the system. It's actually working really well, and it's pretty consistent. So today I had a total of 4 signups. These $2 and $4 actually came from my downline. That means that they are producing results. Okay. That means that they're working. And so far, being a little bit over a month into the program, I have a total of $1,545 that I made. And guys, this is like really one of the easiest and most simplest ways to get ongoing leads, to promote your opportunity, and to start getting paid residual payouts. And not only that, they do have where you can get bonuses. So you can promote this opportunity itself. Okay. They do give you a link here. This is your link for when you sign up. You'll have everybody's link will be different, coded to them. And then you can promote other opportunities, offline opportunities, online opportunities. And the more that you promote, the more leads that you have, the longer you stay in a game, the more people you'll have actually looking at your opportunity. And it's all about just being consistent. I am definitely trying my best to email once per day, because it doesn't take long to do. I do have days that I miss, but for the most part, 85% of the time, I am sending out an email every single day. So if you don't have a website, a funnel for your Impact Mailing Club, your direct mail opportunity, you can reach out to me for one, and I can make you one at a really low cost. And again, you can use my lead gen secret as a way to start promoting your offline opportunity. And it's extremely effective and easy to do. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys that update, show you how to send out emails for your offline opportunity, and how it can be extremely lucrative and profitable when you are consistent and you have a funnel that you can get people connected to. I just want to say thank you for viewing this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a great night.